In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Apple ID account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and let's say you want to sell your phone, or maybe you want to switch to an Android and you don't want your Apple ID to be associated with your current iPhone. In this case, first off, we need to head over to Settings. I'm going to show you from the beginning, so open up Settings, then tap right here at your Apple ID name, and then scroll down to the very bottom where, first of all, I recommend you to sign out from your Apple ID account. Just tap right here, and then you will be signed out. After that, we need to open up any web browser. I'm going to use Safari. And once the web browser is open, go to privacy.apple.com. When you open up this website for the first time, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID login data, such as email and a password. And then you will be taken to that page where you need to scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where you can easily find delete your account. To continue, tap at request or delete your account, and then after a couple of seconds you will be taken to that step. And at this point, I strongly recommend you that you carefully read the information provided here about what exactly happens after you delete your account. Like, you will not be able to access your Apple services. Your photos, videos, and documents stored in iCloud will be permanently deleted, and all these other information about what's gonna happen. Then scroll down to the very bottom and select a reason. Tap right here and then select any option from that list. You can even choose I prefer not to say. And then tap at continue, and next follow all the required steps that you will be prompted to delete your Apple ID account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.